I'm Daniel Fernandez Pascual. I'm part of Cooking Sections, which is a practice that is based in London, and we work between visual arts, architecture and ecology. The project we are doing in Istanbul started a few years ago when we looked at the whole ecology of water buffaloes and how the landscape is transforming. And we were quite interested in how the wetlands are being encroached more and more by different pieces of infrastructure, roads, highways, the airport, or even the prospect of digging a new canal, shipping canal. So what we started thinking about is how to start conversations with different buffalo herders in the area to preserve the landscape, because the water buffaloes need the wetlands to roam freely. So it's this kind of connection between relationships between the buffalo, birds and different species. So the project started with a series of metabolic surveys to understand these relationships between, as I was saying, buffaloes and birds and frogs and grasses and of course humans. And from that we will be producing a new artwork that will respond to the existing landscape.
And I'm one half of Cooking Sections. The project Wallow starts by looking at the disappearance of grazing grounds and wallows for buffaloes in the outskirts of Istanbul, and basically tries through a series of metabolic surveys to understand how we can strengthen, enhance and kind of highlight the importance of buffaloes and buffalo products for the city of Istanbul and for the ecology around it. So this hub that will be open for the Istanbul Biennial basically will bring all of these different research kind of approaches together, and also different kind of buffalo products from the outskirts of Istanbul, like kaymak, sütlaç, yogurt and so forth. And through that kind of basically try to shed light on some of the kind of challenges buffaloes are facing today in Istanbul and kind of the outskirts of the city. And then in parallel also we're planning a buffalo festival that will also enable people to come to the areas where buffaloes kind of live and the wallow lands they occupy, and kind of see for themselves and experience kind of the transformation that has been happening to that landscape. So Gulinlar is an artist from Istanbul that we commissioned her to write basically a song for the buffaloes that will be performed for the first time in the festival.
Hayvanlarla zaten çok sıkı bağlarım var. O yüzden mandalarla ilgili bir şarkı teklifi gelince önce tabii ki şaşırdık, yalan söylemeyeceğim. Mandalarla ilgili mi falan, bildiğimiz mandalar mı gibi diyaloglar oldu Aslan'la aramızda.